Complete WordPress Development Themes and Plugins course. Short course description. WordPress is the leading content management system on the market, powering a large percentage of the web. The need for WordPress developers who can build and customize themes and plugins is ever growing. Learn from one of the most recognized educators in the WordPress world, who has taught thousands of people now employed as WordPress developers. If you want to learn everything from customizing existing themes, building custom themes, or starting to build plugins, this course is for you. You will learn in depth how WordPress works under the hood, from template files and tags to hooks and internal APIs. If you are looking to build bigger and more custom projects with WordPress, or just get a good job with a great company building WordPress projects, then this course is for you. Make sure though you can already build and style a basic web page with HTML and CSS, as we assume you already know this, and focus more on learning PHP. When you learn the skills this course contains, you will feel incredibly empowered to build almost anything you can imagine with WordPress. You should also feel confident working professionally in the field as a WordPress developer. You will have built a theme and plugin along with the course, as well as a theme and plugin of your own. Follow in the path of thousands of others of students who learned WordPress development and went on to do great work in the field. If you like it, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. After subscribe, remember to hit the bell.